already know, it's a resistor, right? You would also know the formula V is equals to IR, where V is the potential drop across this resistor if I current flows through this and the value of resistor is R. This is nothing but your Ohm's law. Let's actually try to visualize what is this potential drop, what is this V is equal to IR. For that, take this resistor here, connect this to a battery which has a positive terminal and a negative terminal, the potential difference between the two terminals being V. In actuality, what happens is only an electron flows from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. There is no flow of positive charge. But let's make it analogous to a positive charge flowing from a positive terminal to the negative terminal. What happens here is it flows through the wire freely. When it comes to the resistor, to the start of the resistor, it stops. Why? Because it has encountered a resistor. By the name of the resistor, you can understand it resists the motion of the charges. So the charge stops here. Similarly, more charge comes, it stops. Another charge comes, it stops. So charges keep coming and they keep accumulating at the start of the resistor. In the meanwhile, some of the charges might cross the resistor, but ultimately the number of charges here are more compared to the number of charges here. That means this point of the resistor is at a higher potential than this point, right? This is what you mean by a potential drop. So there is a potential difference between this end and this end. Also, every charge which comes, first of all, the battery would have done work on that charge because the positive charge came from here to the negative terminal, and then the battery would have done some work in putting it from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. This work goes into the kinetic energy of the charge. When it comes to the resistor, it collides against the molecules or the atoms of the resistor, and then by the time it comes here at this end of the resistor, it has lost all its kinetic energy. So everything has gone in the form of heat, which has the formula V square by R into T if you observe this phenomena for T seconds. So this is what is the heating effect of a resistor, and this is how you visualize a potential drop across the two terminals of a resistor.